Hello children, good morning. Children, today we are going to start maths class, that to new chapter, lesson number 5, multiples and factors. So are you seeing the heading multiples and factors? Let us see what is meant by multiples and what is meant by factors, what are the properties of multiples. Okay, so they have given here, hi Revati, how are you? Who is asking that? Ajhar. So, hi Ajhar, I am good. So, what are you doing, Ajhar? My teacher has asked me to make a chart on skip counting. So, I am making the same. So, she make a chart for skip counting. Let us see that. Observe multiples here, heading observe the chart. Are you seeing the chart, Nana? So, here the numbers shaded are in this 2, 4, 6, 8. So, from 1 to 10, she wrote the numbers, but shaded numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 also. So these numbers are products obtained on multiplying 2. That means 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 3 6, 2 fours 8, 2 fives 10. Okay. So these numbers are also called multiples of 2. These numbers are also called multiples of 2. Are you seeing this tables, 2 tables? Okay. So see here, we are seeing 2 table or not. So here these are called multiples. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. These are two multiples. We can call it as a two multiples. So what is meant by multiples? When two or more numbers are multiplied, the product is called the multiple of each of the numbers being multiplied. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. These are called multiples of 2. Can you say these are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25? These are multiples of 5. Very good. These are multiples of 5. Okay. Next you say these are 6, 12, 18. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 is 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. These are multiples of 6. These are multiples of 6. So, how can you define multiples? So, when two or more numbers multiplied, the product is called multiples of each of the numbers being multiplied. So, can you see the properties of multiples? What are the properties of multiples? So, first property. Let us see the first property. Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. For example, 5 is a multiple of itself. Yes, 5 ones are 5. Isn't it? Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of 1. For example, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4. So 1 is also, every number is a multiple of 1. Multiples are countless in number. Yes. So for example, multiples of 3. Take multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21. We can write 3 8 are 24. 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, 3 11s are 33, 3 12s are 36, 3 13s 39. So like that we can write n number of multiples. That's why we can say that multiples are countless in number. Okay, multiples are, in other words, we can say multiples are infinite. Okay, next point, multiples of any number is equal to or greater than the given number. Yes, multiples of any number is equal to or greater than the given number. Are you seeing multiples of 4? 4 is there or not? It is equal to 4 or not? 8. It is greater than 8. Okay, greater than 4. Next 12 greater than 4. 16 greater than 4. So maybe the multiples are equal to the number or greater than the given number. Next property. 0 is a multiple of every number. Yes. 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. You take any number. 0 is a multiple of every number. See the example. Write the sixth multiple of 7. What is the sixth multiple of 7? That is nothing but 6 into 7, 42. 56 is a multiple of 8. Yes. We can say that in 8 table 56 will come or not. When it will come 8 sevens 56. So 56 is a multiple of 8. Next, now to even and odd numbers. You know what are even and odd numbers? Numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. In other words, also we can say that numbers which are divisible by 2, which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. For example, 150, 322. Yes, these are divisible by 2. Okay, and these are multiples of 2 also, you know that. So that's why these are called even numbers. Numbers which are divisible by 2. Or we can say that numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. That means numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. See the unit places here 9 is there. Here in units place 5 is there. In 175 units place 5. So this number is not divisible by 2. And this number also is not divisible by 2. That means which are not divisible means those are not multiples of 2 also. That's why these are called odd numbers. Okay. Next, coming to the factors. Are you saying factors? So take 18 balls and arrange them in different rectangular pattern. In how many ways can you do this? Yes, 18. You can arrange them in 6. Okay. You can arrange them in 6 columns, 3 rows. Are you seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Vertically we will call it columns. Horizontally we will call it as a rows. So how many columns are there? You count it 6 columns, 3 rows. That means 6 3 is how much? Nana? 18. In that way, this is the one way we can arrange 18 balls. Next on the page 130, see the picture here. 18 rows can be arranged in 9 columns, 2 rows. That means 9 to the 18, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 columns, rows 2. So this is second way. Next one, another 18 columns, 1 row. 18 columns, 1 row. Okay. So 18 arranged equally in 18 columns and 1 row. Take number of rows and columns for each from each example. So you can say that 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the rows columns. So if you divide 18 by these numbers, no remainder will be left. That means remainder will be 0. 18 divided by 1, 18. 18 divided by 2, quotient, these are 9. 18 divided by 3, 6. Remainder 0. 18 divided by 6, 3. 18 divided by 9, 9 to 18. Quotient 2. 18 divided by 18, 1. So remainder will be 0. So how can you define the factors of a number? Means all the numbers that divide it exactly without leaving a remainder. Without leaving a remainder is called factors of that number. Hope you have understood what is meant by multiple. What are the properties of multiples? What is meant by factor? Let us see the properties of factors now. What are the factors here? Smallest factor of every number is 1. Yes. For example, factors of 2 means what you will write 1 or 2. Isn't it? Largest factor of every number is the number itself. Yes. If you take 36, what is the fact? 36 ones are 36. 36 also factor, no? So, largest factor of every number is number itself only. For example, factors of 8, you can write it as 1. 2, 2 also factor of 8, 4. With 4 also 8 is divisible, no? Next, 8 ones 8. So, this is largest factor among these factors of 8. So, that is nothing but number itself. Next, the next property, factor of a number is equal to or less than the number. For example, factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Okay. So, factors of a number equal to 20 is there in the factors or remaining or less than that number or not. So, these are the properties of factors. Coming to the find all factors of 52. In order to find factors, we will find all numbers when multiplied give 52. 1, if you take 1 into 52, 52. 2. 2 means what we should do? We need to divide the 52 with 2. Let us see. 26 will come. 2 to 26, 52. 13 4 is 52. That means 4. 4 is also factor of 52. but 3 is not factor of 52. So factors of 52 are 1, 2, 4, 13, 26, 52. In this manner, we need to find the factors of 52. Next, prime and composite factors. Sorry, prime and composite numbers. What are prime numbers, Nana? Numbers that have only two factors, that is 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. And numbers that have more than two factors are called composite numbers. Okay, so only two factors, that is 1 and itself, those are called prime numbers. Whereas numbers which have two factors, more than two factors, are called composite numbers. So let us start my practice time 1. So see here, write the first 9 multiples of following numbers. What are the first 9 multiples of following numbers? I will do 2. You write remaining as a homework, okay? 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. These are the first 9 multiples of 4. Let us write about 7 also. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. So remaining you take it as a homework and write in textbook only. You write in textbook only. You fill these columns, rows. Okay. First 9 multiples, first 8. First for 8 also first 9 multiples, for 6 also first 9 multiples, for 3 also first 9 multiples. How I have wrote, you should also write this one. Okay. Fill this one. Next, we will see tomorrow class. Find the factors of the following numbers by arranging them in rows and columns. Okay, thank you.